We're at Porto's having snacks.
The strawberry.
Yeah, it looks pretty, huh?
I like cheese.
So guys, we're here at Porto's with Valerie. We're having snacks here. And lots of people at Porto's. Alright guys, welcome back. So we're here today at Porto's with Valerie. Yeah, we're gonna have snack here at Porto's in Magnolia. Lots of people here today. Lots of people. It's beautiful pastries. Beautiful cake, looks delicious.
I won't be able to
Alright, so
look at
Valerie, she's shy. So guys, this is our drinks. And I have a coffee latte. And Valerie has the, what's the name of your coffee? Same thing.
Yeah.
I thought you have the leche.
It turns out that it was
The same, okay. So actually we have the same drinks. Latte, alright. And I have a strawberry cones here. And Valerie has the targe. That looks pretty from Porto's.
Wow.
You need a fork? Okay, we'll add some fork. Alright guys, so we're gonna have snack with Val at Porto's. So we have cranberry scones. Just delicious. And of course tarts. Yummy. So many people here today guys. Lots of people. Yummy. Yes, inside the antique store here in Magnolia. These pots rises 3,800 each. That's pricey. This is cute. This is $4.95. Just like antique store.
It's not cheap, but
I know, 3,800 this is.
but it's so pretty.
Yeah. Your mommy might like that one.
Yeah.
That's so nice. 3,800. That's a lot of money. Yes, it's cute. All right, we're back. Make vlogs.
$2.95 the table.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
How much?
$2.95.
295? That's not bad. Guys, bumalik kami dito sa antique store. We're back because Valerie's buying vase for her mom. Vases. So we're back inside the antique store here at Magnolia. Yeah. Right here, guys. Guys, we're antiquing shops here in Magnolia with Valerie. Ayan, bumili siya ng 2 vases for her mom. Antiquing, shopping. Lots of good stuff here. You find anything you like, Val?
Yeah.
Shy girl. Look at this one, $425 for the whole thing. For the whole set? Or maybe just this one here. $425. 87 pieces. Made in USA. Yes.
It's too much.
Too much. For plates, right? No, if you only have visitor, you can use this. Fancy.
It's like a Greek.
Greek, is it? $425. $425. That's a lot. Yeah. Oops. All right.